All right, so I just got Relaxcharm Ear Plugs. Let's unbox them and see what this is all about. All right, so it's got this QR code, scan for more installation, video tutorials, and after-sale service. Look at this lucky card. Not sure what that is, but let's flip it over. Take a look at it. All right, so you can do a screenshot. It's got a couple QR codes on there. All right, and here we are. Turn ear tip inside out. Push ear tip over nozzle. All right, well, I don't know what's going on. Well, there's more stuff in there, but this seems to be a case. So let's set this to the side for now. And let's see if we can figure out how to open this. Oh, here. Okay, so we're in. And there's one. And two. So apparently you just shove these in your ears. That gets rid of sound. So let's try them out and see. Here we go. All right, I got earplugs in. One there, one there. And supposedly, I guess you use these if you want to sleep. Oh, shit. I've already dropped and lost one. All right, so anyway, there's your earplugs. You guys want to get some. Like if you're going on vacation, you take these with you and plug them into your ears, and hopefully you'll be able to sleep. All right, and further inspection, I found more of these little ear things here. They were underneath this. So depending on the size of your ear, you can put one of these things on your earbud. You follow me? All right, you see these? So you would just put one on your earbud. So if you've got, you know, big ass ears, you might want to use this one right here, right? Whoops. Where'd it go? Oh, I just popped them both out. So anyway, yeah, you might, you know, now you gotta figure out which one you want to use, because let me set that down, because you know, you can't fit them both in your little thing. But here we got these two. Let me set this down. We'll open this up again because I forgot to. All right, I'm going to get one of these. All right, let me set this down here. All right, so if you look, it comes with this one on it, but you can pull it off. You follow me? I think you can pull it off. Maybe you can't. Oh yeah. So this. So you can change them. You follow me? You see inside there, there's like a little hole. So what you would do is you'd take this one off of here, like that, right? And then you'd put this big old monstrosity on. You got big ear holes. And now look, see? And I'll show you the. So I took this one off and I put this one on. Pretty simple. So now this is a little bit bigger, and you can do it with both of them. You get the other one. All right, so this one we got, this one we did, right? So now we've got the other one here. So we pull this one off, just like that. And then you smush this one in there. You got to get it right in that hole. You follow me? There we go. Push it in there. All right, now we're ready to go. Bam, done. You should, like if you look, you'll see it comes all the way through here. This one I didn't quite get on all the way. All right, I think I'm good. So now I've gotten bigger ones in there, right? So we'll try them in my ears. So these are the bigger ones, right? Because the other ones I didn't really think were were big enough, but I think these would work. Smush them in. Oh yeah, now I can't hear anything. I cannot hear anything. I can hear my voice, but that's about it. So yeah, these work. So if you need earplugs to sleep, there you go. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Grab these and try them out. It also comes with these little alcohol pads you can clean them with. And if you're not quite sure how to do it, they've got this booklet in here that you guys can look at, and kind of gives you all the info that you need on it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.